In this video, we are going to show you the 3 ways to create an event within your account. So when you log into your dashboard and go to the event screen, the first way you can enter an event is by hand, by clicking this plus icon in the upper right corner and hand typing all the information about the event. And the system will step you through a process where you can fill out additional information. Once you get through this initial process, at any point you can come in and click on the event to add or edit any of these details. And of course, this is where you can set up the event portal, put in the financials, assign staff, etc. All that information is available here on the event. The second method is anytime you receive a web form, such as an availability checker, contact form, instant quote, message form, they will send you an email with 2 links in that email. And here's an example of an availability checker that was just received. And you'll see that within the email here, there are 2 links. One is to create a prospect and the other is to create an event. So receiving all this information from the web form, rather than having to hand type or copy and paste all this information, you can simply come in here, click on the create event link, and the system, you'll have to log in if you're not already logged in. But from there, it's going to bounce immediately to the events page and create an event record with all the information from that web form that was received. So this is the corporate event for Jane Smith on Friday, December 5th. All that information is carried over. And again, I can come in here and edit this and make any changes to this as more information is received about this event. And it will put that in there always by default with a pending status because the system doesn't know where you're at in that process, whether it's actually booked or the deposits received. So it's always just going to put it in there as pending, and you can change that status as needed. Let's go ahead and delete this, and we'll show you the third method. So the third way to create an event is to come over here to the received tab, which again is sort of your inbox of all received web forms. And you can locate the web form that was received. So here it is for Jane Smith. I can go ahead and click on that and view it. If I just want to confirm, yeah, that's the one we were just looking at, the corporate party for December 5th. And what we can do from here is you'll notice next to the client name over here with the icons is a plus calendar icon. If we click on that, we're given 2 options to create an event or a prospect. So again, in this video, we're showing you how to create an event. So directly from this web form that was received through the availability checker, we can click create event. And same as the last example, it will immediately take us to the event screen and we'll load the events tab with all of that information preloaded. This event is now in the system with a pending status. So single click allows you to create that event. And again, you can come in here and make any additions or changes, set up the portal, assign staff, set up financials, etc. All that information is right in here once the event is created.